Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start Maths, Grade 11, Chapter 5, Linear Inequalities. Exercise 5.1, question number 19. Solve the inequalities and show the graph of the solution in each case on the number line.
How do I do this question?
Let's see. The given question is 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. So this inequality is, we'll expand. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into x is 3x. So 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. Now let us transpose variables to one side. That is, here 2x is a variable. So let us transpose to the left hand side, and 3 is a constant. Let us transpose to the right hand side. Therefore, minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3. Now what is minus 3x and minus 2x? Minus 5x. What is 8 minus 3? 5. Therefore, minus 5x is less than 5. Now let us cancel this 5 here and here. So we are going to get minus x less than 1. This implies when minus is there, let us multiply both sides with the minus, then the sign will change. Instead of the less than, it will become greater than. So minus x less than 1 implies x is greater than minus 1. Therefore, the solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus 1 to infinity.
Oh, I got it now.
Can
we try another one?
Yes. Before that, shall we represent in the graphical representation?
Yes, sure.
Yes. So here, this is the general graph of the line. But here, what is our answer should be? It should be minus 1 to infinity. So the graph should be from minus 1 to infinity.
Oh, let's solve this question next. Solve the inequalities in exercise 17 to 20 and show the graph of the solution in each case on the number line. How do you solve this?
Given question is x by 2 less greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus of 7x minus 3 by 5. First, let us split these two terms. The first term here, this is x by 2 greater than or equal to, first 5x by 3 and minus 2 by 3 minus 5x by 5 minus of minus is plus 3 by 5 will get. Yes. Now let us transpose variables to the left hand side and keep constant on the right hand side. So the variables we are transposing, then the sign will change here. As 5x plus 3, 5x divided by 3 is plus sign. Once it comes to the left hand side, it will become minus. This minus 7x by 3 will come as plus 7x by 3. Now let us take LCM of 2, 3, 5. LCM is 30. So then 15x minus 50x plus 42x divided by 30 is equal greater than or equal to, here LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Therefore, minus 10 plus 9 divided by 15. That is 7x by 30 is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 15. Now, let us move this 30 by 7 to this right hand side. Therefore, minus 1 by 15 into 30 by 7. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja. So, x is greater than or equals to minus 2 by 7. But what is the value of minus 2 by 7? This is minus 0.28571. Now let us represent in the number line. The solution is x belongs to minus 2 by 7 to infinity.
Oh, now I understand it. Can we do it in a graphic form?
Yes, we can do it. This is the number line we are representing. Yes, as this is x value is minus 2 by 7 to infinity, right? Minus 2 by 7 value is minus 0.2. So that is just less than 0 and this towards the negative side. So this is minus 0.25 to the infinity, the black line.
Oh, I fully understand now. Let's do one more.
Excellent. Let's start. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first unit test. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Yeah. What is the first test marks Ravi got?
70.
Second test marks?
75.
So let us assume third test marks is x. So what is the average marks?
70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3.
Excellent. 3. So, should be greater than or equal to 60. So, 70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 60. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus x is greater than or equal to 60 into 3 is 180. And let us transpose this 145 to this right hand side. Then it will become x is greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. That is 35. So Ravi should score minimum of 35 marks in third unit test to get 60 marks as an average.
Wow, this is really fun.
Let's start question number 22.
To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations, each of 100 marks. If Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94 and 95, find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in the 5th examination to get grade A in the course.
Let's solve. Sunita's first 4 exam marks are given as 87, 92, 94 and 95. Let us assume 5th exam she'll get this X as a score. It's given that 5 exams to receive the grade A should be 90 marks or more. So average should be greater than or equal to 90. So to get the average, we have to add all the 5 exam marks and divide it by 5. Therefore, average marks this will be 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus x divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 90. Now, let us transpose 5 to this right hand side. So, there will be 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus x greater than or equal to 450. Upon addition of these values, we are going to get 368 plus x is greater than or equal to 450. Let us transpose 368 to this right hand side. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to 450 minus 368. That is, x is greater than or equal to 82. Therefore, Sunita should score minimum of 82 marks in her 5th exam to get grade A.
Wow, that's a nice answer. Let's do one more.
Yes. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Generally, consecutive odd means it will be side by side, right? So what is the difference of the two consecutive odd numbers? There will be 2. So we'll assume the two consecutive odd numbers as x and x plus 2. Now, as both x and x plus 2 should be smaller than 10 implies x is smaller than 10 as well as x plus 2 is smaller than less than 10. That implies x is less than 10 and x is less than 8, because upon transposing to this side, we're going to get is x is less than 8. As both are should be less than 8 should become, then only it will be true for both statement. So, sum of x and x plus 2 is more than 11 implies this x plus 2 greater than 11. That is 2x plus 2 greater than 11. That is 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. That is 2x is greater than 9. That is x is greater than 9 by 2. Then x is greater than 4.5 because 2 ones are 2 4.5s are. Therefore x should be greater than 4.5. Thus x is greater than 4.5 one condition, but from these two conditions where both x should be less than 10 and x should be less than 8, it replaces x is less than 8. So odd numbers greater than 4.5 and less than 8 are here 4.5 and less than 8 are 5 and 7. If x is 5, then x plus 2 will be 7. Similarly, if x is 7, then x plus 2 will be 7 plus 2, that is 9. Therefore, consecutive odd positive numbers whose sum is more than 11 and both numbers are less than 10 are 5 and 7. If we add 5 and 7, it will be 12. Is it greater than 11? Similarly, if we add 7 and 9, we are going to get a 16. Is this more than 11? Yes. And both the numbers are 7 and 9 are less than 10? Yes. So these are the pairs.
Wow, that is interesting. Let's do one more. Find all pairs of the consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5 such that their sum is less than 23.
Yes. See, consecutive even positive numbers, two even numbers always differ by this 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and if these are the consecutive. So, there are the pairs of consecutive means x plus 2. Okay. But it's given that this number is greater than 5 and both the numbers x plus 2 also greater than 5. This implies x is greater than the and x is greater than 5 as well as x is greater than 3. That implies x is greater than 5. Therefore, and it's also given that sum is less than 23. What are the sum of two even numbers here? First even number is x, second even number is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is less than 23. That is 2x plus 2 is less than 23. That is 2x is less than 23 minus 2 by transposing 2 to this side. So 2x will be less than 21. Therefore, x will be less than 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5. So x is less than 10.5. And one more condition, we know that x is greater than 5 and x is less than 5. So what are the even numbers which are greater than 5 and less than 10.5? 6, 8 and 10. So these are the, if x is 6, then x plus 2 will be 8 and the sum is 14, which is less than 23. If x is 8, x plus 2 is 10, the sum is 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is less than 23. If x is 10, then x plus 2 is 12. The sum is 22, which is less than 23. Therefore, consecutive even positive numbers whose sum is less than 23 are 6, 8, 8, 10 and 10, 12.
Wow, that was really fun. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeters, find the minimum length of the shortest side.
Yes. Let the shortest side of the triangle is x centimeters. Then longest side will be 3 times of the shortest side. So it will be 3x. If we'll assume the ABC is a triangle and the AB is the shortest side, so we'll make it as a x centimeters and BC is the longest side, so we're making it a 3x centimeters. But what is this? The mid one is 3x minus, that is 2 centimeters shorter than the, here this given a 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. So what is the longest side is BC is 3x. So 3x minus 2 centimeters. Therefore third side is 3x minus 2 centimeters. But it's given that perimeter of the triangle should be at least 61 centimeters. We know that perimeter is sum of all the sides of triangles. Sides. So x plus 3x minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 61. X plus 3x is 4x. 4x plus 3x is 7x minus 2 greater than or equal to 61. 7x is greater than or equals to 61 plus 2 because minus 2 upon transposing to this right hand side will get is plus 2. Therefore 7x is greater than 63 implies x is greater than or equal to 63 divided by 7. That is 7 ones are 7 nines are here. So x is greater than or equal to 9. Therefore the minimum length of the shortest side should be 9 centimeters.
That was also a good one. Let's do one more. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeters. The second length is to be 3 centimeters longer than the shortest, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second?
Let the shortest length is x centimeters. Then the second length will be x plus 3 centimeters. Then the third length is 2x centimeters. And it's given that 2x should be greater than or equals to x plus 3 plus 5. See here, this is the condition here. This is this one board piece we have. The length of this is 91 centimeters. So the shortest one is this x centimeters and the longest should be 2x centimeters. And the middle one should be this, the other third one should be x plus 3 centimeters. Therefore, upon addition of this one, it should be maximum of it will be coming as 91. So it should be less than or equal to 91 centimeters. X plus x is 2x, 2x plus 2x is 4x. So 4x is less than or equal to 91 minus 3. 4x is less than or equal to 88. That is x is less than or equal to 22 because 4 ones are 4 22s. But other condition is given is 2x is greater than or equal to x plus 3 plus 5. But that is here the shortest here. The length of the shortest board if this third should be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second here. So x plus 3 plus 5 should be greater than this 2x is greater than or equal to x plus 3 plus 5. That implies 2x minus x greater than or equal to 8. That is x. Here x is greater than or equal to 8. This by combining these two conditions here, we can write it as x is 8 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 22, right? Therefore, the shortest length of the board should be greater than or equal to 8 centimeters.
Thank you. Come again.
Thank you all.